Hey everybody, it's been about 2 years since we have posted our light LED installation where we added LEDs to our older trailer. The most common question that we get is how over the last 2 years have the LEDs held up? So we're back to show you how they held up. For the most part, we're really happy with our installation. We haven't done anything to them and they've stayed really nicely secured to the trailer. In one area, we do have a little bit of a buckle and that area probably could use a little glue. We just haven't gotten around to it, but rest assured when we do get around to it that we will post that video and what glue that we use. We're pretty excited about how many people have watched our video and commented on our video. So we have a few more projects that we would like to do on our trailer, one of which is a kayak pierced the front of our fiberglass trailer. And so we need to patch that hole. So we're gonna post a video about what product we buy and how to patch that hole. So make sure you like and subscribe to this video or our last video so that when we do add more videos about our trailer escapades, that you can be the first to know about it.